In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload pictures on Shopify. Clear, high-quality images make a huge difference in how your products look and how confident customers feel when they shop. So let's walk through the simplest way to add product photos directly in your Shopify admin, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way. First, open the Shopify website and head to your store's admin dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Products. This is where all your items live and where you'll attach the images that customers will see on your storefront. Next, choose whether you want to create something new or update something you already have. If you're starting from scratch, click Add Product to open a fresh product page. If you're updating an existing item, click on that product to edit it. Either way, you'll see a section labeled Media on the product page. That's where all the images for this product are managed. In the Media section, click Add Media. You can upload files from your computer, and many browsers let you drag and drop images right into this area. Give the upload a moment. Larger files take longer, and you'll see thumbnails appear once everything is finished. That's it. Your images are now attached to this product. A quick note on quality. Aim for clear, well-lit photos with a consistent background. Square images work well because they crop nicely across themes. For faster loading, keep file sizes reasonable. JPEG is great for most photos, while PNG is best when you need transparency. Naming your files clearly can also help you stay organized, especially if you manage lots of products. Once you've uploaded images to a product, you can reuse them later on other products. When you edit another item and click Add Media, you'll have the option to pick from your existing files or add the same images again without hunting them down on your computer. This saves time and keeps your store's visuals consistent. If you're planning a large batch of images, consider preparing them in consistent dimensions and naming them in a way that's easy to search. It's also a good idea to keep backups of your originals so you can re-edit or resize them if your theme changes. And that's the process. Open the Shopify website, go to Products, choose Add Product, or open an existing product, click Add Media, and upload your files. With these steps and tips, you'll have polished, reusable images that help your products stand out.